Hello friends, welcome back to Rose Tarot and Astrology. I am your host Mel Rose, and this is your two-card reading for Friday, December 15, 2023. Sun and Mars are in Sagittarius together. Mars is making this beautiful trine with Chiron today, bringing about this thing where the actions we take really help unfold healing for ourselves and our lives. And that waxing crescent moon is in Aquarius, so it's a very progressive and expansive and adventurous vibe that we enjoy at this time. If you want to know more about the astrology, check out my Astrology Today videos. They're right next to this video on the same channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click for notifications. Then you will get a notification every time I post fresh astrology or tarot content, which happens pretty much every day. And as always, my friends, I'm so glad you joined me. Thank you for being here. We got the Star, a new hope. So the Star is a major arcana card. It's a major message card, and it shows up in the major arcana right after the Tower. So the Tower is like things fall apart. It's a bit of a catastrophe where, you know, you might have tried to build something of value and stability for yourself, and sometimes no matter how hard you try, things just fall apart. And the Star comes after the Tower has fallen. The Star comes after things have fallen apart. So whether it was a big calamity or just a monumental fizzle, right? The thing that you thought was going to be good and last you forever, whether it crashed or it fizzled, now you're in the aftermath of that, right? And you're back to sort of square one. You're back to your point zero, and it's time to rebuild. It's time to sort of reassess what your values are, reassess what you think works for you, reassess what that next idea of stability and security is going to be for you, since you found out with the last idea that it wasn't working so well. So this is really a time of hope, and it's a time of optimism. It's often a time of like not having a lot to work with except for yourself, but in working for yourself you find healing, you find growth, and you come out of that whole experience being and feeling more like yourself, more capable of being yourself, and more capable in general of facing the world and living in it. So that's really good. And then another, big message card, another major arcana card, the Wheel of Fortune, says fortune is spinning in your favor. The wheel is always turning. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, but eventually you're going to get back up there. And that's what the Wheel of Fortune says when it shows up in a reading. It says, this is really good. Things are rolling in your favor. Things are getting better. So that's kind of nice to know if you are the Star, if you are just sort of post-fizzle or post-calamity, things have fallen apart for you and you're making that fresh new start. It's kind of nice to know that the Wheel of Fortune is on your side, that the Wheel of Fortune is sort of spinning things in your favor. You may be down right now, but you are on the rise, and you are going to have a sparkling future full of hope and healing. I think that's all I have to say about it today, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate your presence here, and I will catch you all in the next video.